Steps for charging and adding water to your battery. Wear eye protection, rubber gloves, and a rubber apron. Park in well-ventilated area. Shut machine off. Park machine and engage parking brake. Disconnect the cable from the machine. Remove caps on battery. Check water level in each cell. Only add water if plate is exposed. Connect cable from machine to the charger. Charge for 8 hours. That's a full charge. 1 cycle. Shut charger off if needed and disconnect cable. And reconnect to the machine. Check cells. If water is needed, top off cells just above the plate after battery has cooled down.